What if I told you that you could take a simple spreadsheet filled with just names and companies and transform it into a powerful marketing database, complete with verified email addresses? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do just that, unlocking treasure trove of targeted data to supercharge your outreach and lead generation efforts. Let's start with a basic spreadsheet like this one, containing a list of prospect names and their associated company URLs. Most marketers and sales reps would see this as a decent starting point for prospecting and outreach. But what if I told you we can take this one step further and enrich this data to give you a serious competitive advantage? The key is leveraging the right tools and techniques to uncover a wealth of additional details on each of these contracts. Step 1. Open a new Google Sheet. Step 2. The first step is to install a specialized Google Sheets add-on that can automatically locate and verify email addresses for the contracts in our spreadsheet. The best option for this is the Gamalogic Email Verifier and Email Finder. Step 3. After installation, navigate to the Add-on tab in the Google Sheets menu bar. From there, select Gamalogic Email Verifier and Email Finder. Step 4. Click on the Finder tab on the add-on sidebar. Step 5. Okay. Now that we have got the tools set up, let's dive in. I'll select the first name, last name and company columns here. And the add-on will use that information to look up the corresponding email addresses. Step 6. In just a matter of seconds, you can see the email addresses populating right in the spreadsheet next to each contract. But Gamalogic does more than just find the emails. It also verifies them in the real time to ensure that you are valid and deliverable. This is a game changer because it means you can trust that the contract information you have is accurate and up to date. No more wasting your time on bad data or unreliable leads. But we are not done yet. Let's take this a step further and uncover even more valuable intel on these prospects. Imagine the boost this could give you to your marketing and sales productivity. Take your prospect lists from good to great by leveraging the power of data enrichment. Visit our website to learn more about the tools and techniques I have shown you today. Let's take your lead generation to new heights.